First, about the design and displays. The Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus may not look much different than their predecessors, and that wouldn't be a bad thing. One tweak that will please is that Samsung should be moving the fingerprint reader beneath the camera lens, so it should be easier to reach without looking. The S9 and S9 Plus are expected to sport similar Super AMOLED panels at 5.8 inches and 6.2 inches, respectively. However, we're hoping that Samsung can boost the brightness as well as the color accuracy on the screens for its new flagships. So talking about the cameras, the Galaxy S9 will apparently have two rated apertures, f1.5 and f2.4. This would allow the f1.5 would kick in when you're shooting in low light. And as Ars Technica reports, the f2.4 aperture would enable the S9 to have a wider depth of field. The Galaxy S9 Plus should be even better, as it will reportedly include a second lens that should provide a 2x optical zoom and portrait mode style shots like the Galaxy Note 8. And the specifications. The Galaxy S9 will offer 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage standard, while the S9 Plus will step up to 6GB, but the storage could be the same. A microSD card slot should still be on board for expansion, and the Snapdragon 845 processor will boast an improved image signal processor, which means the S9 and S9 Plus should be able to capture images more quickly. This CPU will not only be up to 25% faster than the Galaxy S8. According to Android Headlines, which said that the S9 will feature a 3000 mAh battery, and the S9 Plus will have a 3500 mAh battery. However, these phones should be able to last longer 30% than the previous handsets. Finally, the conclusion. On the surface, the specs for the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus don't look that different from the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. But Samsung doesn't need to make radical changes. A much improved camera,